Good morning and happy day 6. Oh my god, I woke up with such a great mood today. It's really rare, but I'm happy, I feel great, and you should too. You deserve it. So, let's start the day. So, I do have 2 online lectures and I do need to work or read a few chapters in a textbook. So, it's a kind of busy day, but both online lecture are kind of longer than usual, so yeah, it will be a long Monday, but still I'm in a very good mood and let's start the day. I'm making dinner. We decided to make like hamburgers, so we've got some spinach ketchup, tomato, gherkins, onions, vegan cheese, and also some vegan patties. I personally don't like patties which imitate like the taste of meat. I actually like bean burgers or sweet potato burgers. I prefer them much more. That's how the finished burger looks like. It's like a lot of veggies. Bella. Aww. Yeah. Are you comfortable? It's kind of late. It was a really long Monday. So I'm sorry I couldn't take you with me the second online lecture because obviously it was a Zoom call and I have to be present there, talk and listen and everything. Sadly it's not pre-recorded because it's much easier for me to film when it's pre-recorded because I can pause the lecture and everything, but a Zoom call I can't obviously pause. So, but tomorrow on Tuesday I can actually show you a better day because I only have pre-recorded on the pre-recorded online lectures go online tomorrow, so it's a little bit easier for me to show you like how a productive day actually looks like, rather than like not showing you, just telling you, because I think it's kind of nicer to show you rather than like talking and explaining. So yeah, it was a long day, so I would say we see each other tomorrow. Good night, bye.